Hey, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. I've got a throwback box here for you. It is the October 2017 Birchbox, and the theme is behind the scenes. It's got a fun little holiday thing for your holiday shopping for 2017, which I didn't fill out, but hey, let's get to it. So yes, it's a throwback. It's the October 2017 Birchbox. The theme is behind the scenes, pulling back the curtain on all these like little beauty secret weapons that will keep you looking your best in the fall of 2017. If you want to hop into your hot tub time machine and do that. Now, here's another hot tub time machine trick. Their holiday shop was launching on November 2nd, and there was like limited edition boxes and stuff, so it was like my mom would love, my best eyes bud's been buying, my brother could really use, and I should treat myself too. I'm not filling this out. Yeah, well, I mean, I guess I could fill it out for this year, but maybe their holiday shop isn't launching on November 2nd. But anyway, let's get to products, because hey, that's why you're watching. So we have Comfort Zone Hydra Memory Cream Gel. It's a gel-like texture of sorbet, but it's got I always pronounce it wrong, hyaluronic acid. So it's supposed to be hydration without greasiness. Who doesn't like that? Because sometimes you end up looking like a greasy mess. Then we have Avene Hydrants Intense Rehydrating Serum, which I just had a tube of this from like another beauty box or something and just ran out. So look at that, like fate intervening and giving me some more. Then we have Eyeko Precise Smudge Proof Pitch Black eyeliner. If you've seen any of my videos, you know that I am so over black eyeliner. Like literally, I could cosplay a Black Canary every week, maybe every day, for the rest of the year and still not run out of black eyeliner, because I've gotten so many black eyeliners in all my boxes. That's how I feel about black eyeliner. Lipstick Queen Lip Liner. It's in nude, which is cool because I have a Lipstick Queen lipstick that I believe is also in nude, so now I have the matching lip liner. Yay! And I always pronounce this wrong. I think it's like OUAI or something. It's rose hair and body oil, which, if you see my hair right now, it's a teased hot mess from a photo shoot I did today. And I will probably throw some of this on to get this out without destroying my hair. So that is a little flashback, throwback. Hop in that time machine and check out these beauty boxes from 2017. You know where to find me. All these lovely places. You stay beautiful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.